Hi everyone, today we have this platform called NitroPack, and this is the best speed optimization software for websites. Now before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses. So to get started with NitroPack, of course you are going to be needing to add a website in here, and let me just try adding a website in here. So click on add your website and it will be asking you to enter your website URL. So you can see currently we have our free plan and business plan. So for that we are going to be simply needing to pay. Of course we are on our free plan, so we are going to be trying to get started with that. Continue to dashboard. Okay, so I have currently added my site in here. You can see analytics, like for example we have our service results, optimization status, quick actions, so we can cache warm up, test mode, and simply try out with all of these. So basically these are used to analyze your website lagging, and you can say it like a buffer rate in professional terms if you talk about that. So we have other analytics as well, like for example service user log. Now on the left side you have your cache insights as well. So of course cache is something that is stored for better website speed and performance. You have your optimization status in cache, optimization complete, and it is going to be displayed in this pie chart option. You have our total cache size, so it is going to be showing all of the cache in general, and your cache warm-up, basically everything that is prerequisite in running a website. You can also purge the cache to completely reset it. You have your page optimization settings, and here you can also see various options. So if you head over to your cache settings, your image and media, you can see all of that and details about that, like for example lazy load images which are causing the delay. So you can simply fix that to improve your website performance, and many other amazing tools to check out your website performance, so and boost it up of course. So you have your analytics option as well. You can see event history, you have your resource usage and everything that is being used by the site, and everything is going to be displayed. So if we head over to integrations, it have some options for integrations as well. For security, for plugins, you can see a lot of integrations are now possible, so make sure to give it a try. And if you are still unsure about NitroPack, you can head over to its of reviews and pros and cons. You can see it is quick to implement, supports multiple CMS system, relatively simple to implement, and many other good stuffs that you can see as well. So yeah, that is it for this video. Make sure to give it a try using the link in the description to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. That is it for this video. See you guys around in the next one.